Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Drive. So here I have my Google Drive opened, and I'm going to show you the basic on how to use it. So Google Drive is usually used to put or to save your files on the cloud or on the internet. So if you have Gmail, obviously you will also have the Google Drive. So here is the apps, and if you want to save a file or upload a file into Google Drive, you can just click on the plus icon at the bottom right here. Okay, so you can create a new folder. You can upload a new file from your phone or from your laptop. You can also scan, and you can also create a new file on Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. And there are also other apps that can be used on the drive. Okay, so if someone sent or shared a file with you, there will be shown in here in the shared option. Just click on that to see the file that others shared to you. So this is the file that others sent me, and this is my own file on the file options, and this is the start is when I start a folder or a file, so it will be easier for me to find it. Okay, so this is the home of the Google Drive. So if you click on your profile icon at the top, you can add another account, and you can also manage the existing account. So for this, the three lines icon, so this is the panel in the Google Drive. You can see the recent file that you open, or you can see the offline or the file that you set as offline. You can see your trash, so your file that has been deleted will be moved to trash first before it delete forever after 30 days. Okay, so let's see again. So there is also backups and settings on Google Drive. So if the Google Drive is full, you can buy the storage again. Just click on this and you'll see the package that is provided by the Google Drive. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can use Google Drive. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.